Whew. Alright, made it to my little spot right here on Lake NeedWood. By this little bridge right here. Got trout running all along this bank right here. See them jumping out here. Just seen one jump right here right when I got here. Seen some bass jumping yesterday too. I got 4 trout yesterday. See if I can get any on the hook today. Alright, so today I'm gonna be using some power bait. Green, white, pink. They were all hitting on this yesterday. I brought my bait caster, my bass fishing rods. See if we can get any bass to bite. Get yourself a little dab like that. A little ball like that. Take your rig. Squeeze her, but don't squeeze her too hard. Try to keep its shape. I'm gonna do the same thing for this green. Oh, I just heard another one jump way over yonder. Alright, so we got the green on this guy. Go ahead, throw him out there. I'm gonna throw him probably like in the middle right over here. I got this one right here, right in front of the bridge. So if anything comes through here, hopefully they bite on these. Perfect, right where I want it. Alright, I'm gonna throw this chatterbait around, white swimmer bait on them. Let's see if we got anything in this little, underneath this little bridge cover right here. Fish on, fish on. Let's go, baby. Fish on, guys. Nice little rainbow. Come here, son. Let's get it. Just a little guy. Beautiful fish, though. Oh, I just seen a big one jump. I just seen a huge one jump. All right, guys, let's go ahead and release this guy. Alright, so let's go ahead and throw some more green power bait on there. I love this stuff, man. This stuff works like magic. So we got some more power bait put up on here. That pink one out there just chilling. Throw this guy back out there, see if we can catch us another big old trout. That's the goal. And I see him jumping over here. When I was rigging this up, another one jumped. I heard him. It was big. You know, it's funny, man. I got these 2 poles sitting up on a little branch right here, right? And I caught me a little rainbow trout. Goes to show you, you don't need all this fancy dancy expensive old gear, even though it is nice to have and it does help. Using what you got is the way to do it. Do what you can, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna step down here and cast out there. This goes all the way out to another 4 feet right here. and then it drops down real deep. Well, we'll just stay right here. Alright, so we're gonna leave those two power bait poles sitting right there. See if we can get us any trout. I'm gonna move down here, down this way over here on this left side of the bank, and cast way out there. Then we're jumping out here in the middle. I think they were trout jumping, but it is starting to warm up, starting to get around springtime. Could be a possibility of the bass spawning, getting hungry, getting active. So that's why I brought my bass poles. Hopefully we can catch 2 species today. Rainbow trout, some largemouths. Thought I had a bite, man. Thought I had a bite. Couple casts over there and nothing. So I'm gonna reel these guys back in, give them another throw. Give this guy a nice little toss right in here. I'm right in there, right in the middle. See if that does anything. That's more like it. Let that guy sink on down. All right, so real quick, guys, we moved down some because they're just straight jumping right up in here, like all up in this. On one of my bass poles, I put a blue chatterbait and one of these little Googan baits. I think it's the crack and crawl. The crack and crawl. Just bit off a little piece of his tail. Put him on there. Gonna throw this guy out there. A little rock I can stand on out here. Get a bite. I don't think I did. Some jumped over there. Oh, some jumped over there too. I hope I can get them on video jumping. Got him on this one. Come here, boy. Come here, son. Come on, buddy. Let's go, baby. Rainbow number 2. Rainbow number 2. Let's release this guy. Oh, you seen that jump? Oh, did you see that guy jump? That was a big one that jumped over there. Big one. Bait just right there. Oh, look at that. He just jumped right here. Try to get this right on their nose. So we migrated back over here. It's under the bridge. Haven't gotten a bite in about an hour and a half. In a little minute. Report to you guys back if anything exciting happens. Nothing. Might just call it a day here pretty soon. I got 2 of them, but oh, look, right when I said that, one jumped right there, man. Come on. They're not biting for me. Come on, son. Come bite this power bait. Stuck in the mud. There we go. 2 rainbow trout today. I got 4 yesterday. I didn't get any of that on film. I don't know why I didn't bring my GoPro with me. I was killing them yesterday. Today we got 2. Yeah, so that's 6 so far in 2 days here at Lake NeedWood and Maryland. Tomorrow it's gonna rain, so I don't think I'm gonna come out here tomorrow. Saturday I might have other plans. I'm gonna definitely come out here soon and get some more footage for you guys.